Hi everyone, today we are going to make a cold brew latte candle. This works best in a rustic jar to give the look of it being in a coffee cup. A few supplies you will need are a knife, a brown dye, and a scent. We chose roasted espresso. And last, a clear jelly wax. We melted the wax down and molded it into a block so that we could cut it up into little ice cubes. You don't have to worry about it looking like a perfect cube, as only parts of the ice will be visible. Start by filling your jar up halfway with ice cubes. You want to make sure some of the ice cubes are touching the side of the jar. Next, get your brown melted wax and fill the jar up halfway as well, making sure your ice cubes are fully submerged. You are going to want to let your wax almost fully solidify before the next step. Once it's almost hard, fill the rest of your jar with your remaining ice cubes. Make sure your ice cubes sit above your pour line to give the look that they are floating above your latte. Now grab your white melted wax and fill up the remainder of the jar. After that's all solidified, you're almost done. Just get a blow dryer or heat gun and heat the sides to blend the brown and white together. Now we are all done and you are left with a cold brew latte candle filled with wax ice cubes. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe.